Downer is Australia's leading provider of asset management services for passenger rolling stock. With 150 years of history, we've been supplying and maintaining rolling stock right across Australia, and we're constantly challenging ourselves to remain at the forefront of asset management practices. One of the key things that we do is using technology to drive continuous improvement in our operations. The importance of available, reliable, safe passenger services is critical to keeping our cities moving. Robotics is one of the ways in which we're looking to respond to these challenges.
Downer's taken a product-based approach. We focus our capabilities and our offerings on specific customer problem areas. Those areas that we focus on are digital maintenance management, operational and asset intelligence, robotics and sustainability. What it allows us to do is focus on specific customer problems and deliver value to our customers. Downer has partnered with Future Maintenance Technologies to deploy a fleet of autonomous inspection robots.
FMT's autonomous systems capability consists of two key inspection robots, our train examination system, or TRES for short, and our rail facility drones, RFD. TRES is our fully autonomous inspection robot that utilizes state-of-the-art systems to conduct detailed inspections and precise measurements on rolling stock components. Our rail facility drone is a fully integrated, standalone, autonomous inspection system. It can be configured to conduct rolling stock, infrastructure, or facility inspections in a complex railway environment.
So at RTS Digital, we have a structured approach to the implementation, and that includes the integration of the data into your enterprise asset management system. Once the robots are deployed on site, typically additional inspections can be automated within weeks.
We're using robotics to improve our business performance in three key areas. We're improving safety, we're improving our database decision making, and we're improving productivity. This underpins our leading asset management practices and enables us to deliver condition-based maintenance.
In addition to Downer itself, we've deployed the robotic solution to multiple rolling stock asset maintainers around the world.
Here at Dubai Metro with Keolis MHI, we have two fleets, one Japanese fleet in Kinkishario. We have 79 of those units, and we have 50 Alstom units. We want to continue to demonstrate that Dubai is committed to staying at the forefront of technology and innovation. One of the fundamentals of our approach is improved data and consistency. Our ongoing maintenance strategy has become absolutely data-driven, and we need to ensure that the measurements that we take, the inspections that we carry out, are absolutely repeatable and consistent. Then the analytics platform behind it and how we can use that information to improve our maintenance techniques. And the second fundamental is safety. So the more we do remotely or without human intervention, the less likely an accident or incident.
RT is a public transport company which currently operates 166 metros in the Rotterdam region. An interesting time for the whole of RT as we're shifting from a more paper-based way of working into a more digitized way of working. It's exactly the right time as we're replacing our entire fleet by 2030. It's absolutely crucial for RT to rethink our maintenance strategy at this very moment. Currently, the robot is taking some 200 measurements underneath the vehicle in less than an hour. At RT, safety is a very important topic. The more we can maintain our vehicles in a digitized, automated way, the less our mechanics need to be underneath those vehicles, and the safer it is for them. We're also exploring the possibilities of having a drone taking images of components on top of the vehicle. It prevents our mechanics from having to enter the roof in the first place. And the second benefit is we don't have to isolate a vehicle, and also allows us to be more flexible in when the certain maintenance has to be performed. And this flexibility is what condition-based maintenance is all about, to postpone when possible or to intervene immediately when necessary.
At RTS Digital, we're very excited with our robotics product and our journey into the global markets. We look forward to working with you and helping you on your journey into robotics and AI.